Uncle Mud here, watching the river flow, just below Monrovia Falls in North Carolina, at a beautiful campground, getting ready to go check out a site tomorrow for a Cobb Hobbit house in the woods to build with Chris Strathy, the capable carpenter. That's going to be a fun one because it's his project for his place. Something special about supporting artists in their own work. And the cobbler doesn't have time for their own children's shoes. Helping Chris to put something together for his people, his place, his family. That's really exciting. See you there.